Okay students, so now we are starting with the exercise 7.1. The first question which I am solving is 1b. You all can see this question. Now what is given in the question? More than two signs means more, addition and subtraction, except that division is also there, means type 1 we will not follow. Got it? We will follow type 2. In type 2 we are going stepwise, means first division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. So here first we will see that we have to do division. Okay. The first one is division. So as you all can see, I have divided 153 by 17. Okay, I have divided 153. Now when I divided 153 by 17, I get 9. Okay, this one will be as it is, 4982 plus 9. Why 9? Because I have divided. Then minus 3243. Finished. After that we are adding, because multiplication is not there. If multiplication is not there, after that the following operation is addition. So now we are adding. Now when we add 4982 plus 9, we get 4991 minus this number 3243. Okay, we are done with addition. Now the last step is subtraction. Now we have to subtract 4991 and 3243. When we subtract these two numbers, we get 1748 as our answer. We will do now 1C. Now the second question which I am solving is 1C. Now 1C is bit interesting, and in this question you can learn both the types. Okay. Now here you can see all four signs are there. Okay. So first we will do type 2. Now the first step which we are doing is division. Now where divide sign is there? Now where divide sign is there? Here. Okay. So first we will do division. We will write this number as it is. When we have divided this number, we are getting 265. Now we will continue writing from here as it is. Okay. After that we have to multiply. Now multiply which two numbers? We have now multiplied. Now we will multiply this one and this one. Two multiplications are there. So we have to multiply two numbers. So when we multiply this number 265 by 50, we are getting 13,250. And when we are multiplying 253 into 19, we are getting 4,807. Okay. You can see I have written with different color pen. Here my purpose for writing with black was, this was type 1. Okay, in the same question we are following two types. Now we can see up to here when we have solved, we have got 37,542 minus 13,250 minus 4,807 plus 48,321. Now you can see more than 3 numbers are there. Okay, more than 3 numbers are there, and two signs are there, that is plus sign and minus sign. Okay, so what we are doing, we have to add the two plus sign numbers. Okay, we have to add this one and this one. Why? Because we have additions before them. So when we add these two numbers, we get 85,000 863. Got it? Now, two minus signs are there, one here and one here. So when we see that two minus signs are there, then we have to add that number which have minus sign before them. This number and this number have minus sign before them. So the second step, we have to add these two numbers. Okay, this one and this one. When we add this one, this number and this number, we get 13,000. Sorry. When we add these two numbers, we will get 18,057. Okay. When we add this number and this number, because they have minus sign before them. So, as I explained earlier, when two numbers will have minus sign before them, we'll add that two numbers. After adding two numbers, we will get 18,057. Now the final answer will be 67,807, because you have to subtract this one. You have to subtract 85,863 and 18,057. So when we subtract these two numbers, we get 67,806. This is the BODMAS rule which we are following. In this same question, we have done type 1, type 2. This is a bit difficult question. You all can try with some simple numbers also. This is bigger number which is given in the exercise, but we can try with the smaller number also. And we will, if you have to follow the same steps. Okay, then you can get the answer. Okay. Now next we will solve 1D. Okay. Now the next question which we are solving is 1D. First see the question in your book. Read the question 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Read that question 1D 5 times. And mark in your book what will be the first step. What we have to do? Division. So there are two numbers where division signs are there. Between two numbers, division sign is there. One is here and one is here. Okay. Now when we divide 20493 with 99, we will get 207. Okay. And when we divide 450 with 25, we will get 2098. Clear? Now first step of division is over. We have got 207 and 2098. Rest we have to write as it is. Clear? Now the second step is multiplication. Again two numbers are there where multiply signs are there. One is this one and one is here. Okay. We will proceed to the next step. When we multiply 207 with 700, we will get 144,900. And when we multiply 70 with 180, we will get 12,600. Okay. Now again step type 1 we will follow. See, more than 3 numbers are there with one plus sign and two minus signs, means one plus and minus sign is there. So we have to add these two numbers as two minus signs are there. This number we will write as it is. We will add these two numbers. When we add 12,600 and 2098, we will get 14,698. The last step which we will do is subtract these two numbers. We will get the answer, that is 130202. Thank you. In the next video, I will send the word problems. All the 4 word problems I will send. If you have any doubt, and the rest question, that is 1A and 1E, I have left it for you all to solve, to try by yourself. And if you have doubt, you can ask us. Okay, your respective math teachers you can ask. So, okay.